Symptoms of a clogged transmission filter. The transmission filter is essential for maintaining the cleanliness and good operation of the transmission system in your car. The performance and lifetime of your transmission may be impacted by different problems that arise as a result of the filter being clogged or broken over time. So, let's go over the most common symptoms you'll notice when the filter is clogged. 1. Delayed or sluggish shifting. Delay or sluggish shifting is one of the initial symptoms of a blocked transmission filter. The gearbox may take longer to change ratios, or you could notice a delay in the engagement of the gears. As a result, there may be an apparent hesitation or lack of reaction when accelerating. 2. Difficulty shifting gears. Shifting gears smoothly may become more difficult when the filter gets clogged. The gearbox may appear to be sticking or to be rejecting gear changes. Shifting may feel erratic, jerky, or harsh. 3. Transmission slippage. The transmission may suddenly disengage from the gear it is in or fail to keep the selected gear effectively as a result of a blocked filter. Power loss, RPM swings, or a sensation that the engine is turning without corresponding acceleration can be the result of this. 4. Overheating transmission. A clogged filter prevents transmission fluid from flowing as freely, which results in insufficient cooling of the transmission system. As a result, the transmission can overheat, turn on dashboard warning lights, or emit a burning odor. In extreme circumstances, the transmission could even switch to a fail-safe mode to safeguard itself. 5. Unusual noises. An obstruction in the filter may be a factor in the transmission making strange noises. Particularly when the transmission is loaded or during gear shifts, you can hear whining, buzzing, or grinding noises. 6. Reduced fuel efficiency. The transmission system needs to work harder to maintain appropriate operation when the transmission filter is clogged. As the engine struggles to transmit power effectively, this additional strain may result in poorer fuel economy. If this video was very informative, go hit the subscribe button right now, and I'll see you in the next video.